Hi, my dear YouTube fragrance friends. Welcome to my channel. Today, guys, I will be coming with another review. And let me just show you a little bit more. I hope you can see it. So today, guys, I just would like to simply open some perfumes. One perfume I will open. I will also tell you that here I lined up my 13 perfumes that I recently bought. So I will still call it as massive fragrance, Middle Eastern fragrance haul. So guys, I bought a Barakat Rouge 540, Duke de Baccarat Rouge, Barakat Satin Oud, cannot wait, open that one, guys. And then, guys, Barakat Amber Eve, cannot wait to open this one. And then Amber is great, must be something very interesting. And then I have the Reach by Rassasi. And then, guys, Royale was kind of very cheap perfume. Royale, this one is Ardal Zafran Dar Al Haye, Ardal Zafran, and then this one is Mocha Wood. Cannot wait to open that one. And then we go back to the side. So you have Secret by Rassasi, and then Hurof Al Hub and Opulent Red. So Opulent Red, guys, it will be the one that I will be opening. I will open, guys, Opulent Red. And recently, you know what, guys? I simply recently want to tell you that I was wearing Casablanca perfume, excuse me, Casablanca perfume, and I really liked it, guys. First day, wasn't sure, really kind of didn't seem as if something would be going on with this perfume much apart from that apple type of note, But then second day, I felt kind of very cozy, I felt cozy with this Casablanca perfume, and I felt like maybe also a little bit missing some youthfulness in this perfume, as if, I would be lacking some kind of fresh air while wearing this perfume. But then the third day, guys, everything became much better. At the moment it's winter time, so it's a little bit colder here, and there's lack of light as well. And I felt like to wear this perfume was pretty brilliant, guys. I felt kind of cozy with this perfume, apple crumble note, and kind of really warm type of, it really gives that type of projection bubble and everything. But it's not about this I'm talking about now. I would like to talk, guys, about something else. I would like to talk about Casablanca. I put it here for you. You cannot see anything, so Casablanca perfume. Today, guys, my topic of the day would be this one. Is Lattafa Opulent Red. At the moment, I feel like days are darker, guys, and there's not a lot of lights. In my video, really represents the winter time, I guess, and I cannot get enough lights. So anyway, Opulent Red is the perfume that some people say, oh, guys, it's brilliant, compliment getter, and then really kind of unusual perfume, something really amazing. And some other people say that it's simply not the great. It can be called as a people repeller, or people deterrent, type of people, like mosquito repeller, kind of like really can repel people, this perfume. And some people say when they wear in the office, really people kind of gag, while smelling this perfume. So cannot wait to open this one to see on which side my opinion will be. Some people say it smells like Mugler perfume, which I really don't like Mugler perfumes, guys, and I really hope I will find something that I would like at least a little bit, because I might fall into the direction of those people that likes this perfume, and I might also fall into the direction of the people that hates this perfume, or I could be right in between, so we don't know. I will take off this packaging. It's by Lattafa, guys, Opulent Red. I have all three of them. I like Opulent Musk, that white bottle, but still I don't wear that one, as much for some kind of reason. And Opulent Black one, guys, not wearing very often as well. And Opulent Red will be also some kind of intense perfume that I don't even know, guys, will I be wearing or I will be not wearing. Beautiful velvety type of box, really nice to touch and everything. I paid around 60 euro, guys, for this perfume, and I know that I just simply wanted to have, guys, in the collection everything from this line. So I wanted to have, guys, all of the three bottles. So see, here you go, guys. Really beautiful, isn't it? Very beautiful type of situation. And before I will open this particular perfume, I just simply want to see, guys. I want to see what does it say. So main accord. So it say, guys, it says woody, vanilla, white floral, powdery, amber, sweet, oud, warm, spicy, fruity, balsamic. First they say woody, vanilla, white. I like white floral, guys. Then it says powdery. All of those possible things that they could say, they say here. And then released by Lattafa is 2022, so it's pretty new perfume, which is great, actually. floral, fruity. So for women and even for man, like, it's interesting, isn't it, if man could wear this perfume. This is new fragrance, opulent red. Top notes: pear, pink pepper, blood orange, cardamom. Middle notes: jasmine, tuberose, heliotrope, Brazilian rosewood, cognac. And then you have oud, vanilla, amber, patchouli, cashmere, sandalwood, and tonka beans. Some people say, guys, that this particular perfume the notes are fighting with each other, and they say that it's not matching very well, those notes. That's what other people say. And then let's say people say really long lasting. Some people hate that it's long lasting because they don't like this perfume at all. They say eternal, modern, strong. They say strong supposed to be something female, more female. It says more, definitely says more female, you know. And then it says great value. So basically more female and great value. Let's say what people say just a little bit before I try. It says failed blind buy, you know. It says I don't understand the notes, they say. And then some people say it's absolutely gorgeous. And then while reading reviews, this woman was scared, but then after, when she smelled it, it's really very nice perfume, and a bit sweet, smoky, projection lasts all day. So you see, some people and some people say, I really wanted to love this, but I couldn't. So as you could see, guys, this is perfume that some people love it, some people hate it. I show you one more time this box, this one over there, the box, and this one. And it's new perfume, guys, 2022, which is great, isn't it? The box. Let's open it. Yeah, guys, from the cap, I can a little bit feel that type of Mugler vibe, which doesn't excite me at all. Mugler vibe doesn't excite me, guys. So what can we do? So what's left, guys, is only to spray it and see how it goes. Maybe, okay, let's see. Maybe, let me see. Where could I spray it? I spray here 3 times. Wow. Probably needs to you know, a little bit calm down all the like alcohol and everything. So guys, at the beginning, so what I felt was Mugler perfume. I can't remember which one, you know, Mugler, with some kind of notes that is very strange, guys. Little bit like off-putting, you know, a little bit, guys, off-putting, but I know that my first impressions can be really kind of wrong, you know. And some kind of as if would be, you know, like those gumboots, kind of socks in the gumboots, or, you know, wet socks smelling like that, you know, or some kind of like a gasoline type of smell. Doesn't seem very great right at first time, but I'm always, guys, positive. I want, oh, sorry, excuse me. I always, guys, oh, excuse me. I want, guys, simply to, you know, be positive about this, and I want to see, guys, what would come up, you know, from this particular perfume. So those, you probably can feel tuberose, you know, those white floral, but, you know, they would be great if they would be clean, but they are kind of dusted with some kind of dirt, and that's why it's a bit strange and a little bit skanky. But guys, I can see maybe this perfume developing in the better side once time goes on, you know, so maybe after 1 hour or something like that, like that maybe skankiness of those wet socks taken out from the gumboots, you know, kind of a little bit would fade away within time, and things would hopefully would get much better, you know. That's what I'm hoping for. Yeah. So those smell of the socks is going away. And I can see, guys, that in the dry down, this perfume could smell nice, you know. Some people say every time they go with this perfume, it's they get compliments, you know, compliment getter. Let's see. It's possible, guys. I can see that type of sweetness developing a little bit, you know, within time, developing sweetness. But you know what, guys? I can totally understand the people that they say they hate this perfume, because right from the first type of go, it really smells not great. It smells off-putting, you know. It's something, but you need to wait, you know. You really need to wait, and I think it's kind of getting better, guys. So that type of Mugler vibe kind of dies off and it becomes kind of perfume more on its own, you know, his own type of personality. It's kind of those, a lot of notes, like floral notes, a little bit of floral notes, a little bit vibe of Mugler, like some kind of little balsamic type of vibe, you know. Oud, I cannot feel much. There must be oud, but I think that oud is very on the last note, you know. That powderness is there, everything mixed together, you know. I don't have anything other type of perfume that would be similar to this, guys. The only similar is that Mugler, which you can feel right from the beginning, but then that Mugler vibe dies off, as I said before. You know, guys, what I like about this perfume is that I like gasoline. Yeah, people say gasoline smell. I like that it dies off that bad vibe. You know, I want to see those notes again. You know, I want to see. Let's see, pear, maybe pink pepper, pink pepper. Pink cardamom, cannot jasmine. I feel tuberose, some kind of Brazilian cognac, cognac, a little bit maybe cognac, jasmine, tuberose, and then we have, what else do I feel? If there would be oud, if that would be feelable, maybe only at the end. I feel vanilla, maybe a little bit of amber and patchouli mixed together and so on. Basically, guys, you cannot really it's not an easy perfume because it's not simple perfume, because it's a lot of notes mixed together, and you cannot say that, oh, I feel only amber, or oh, I feel only jasmine, you know, clean jasmine. No, it's actually everything mixed together. For that reason it becomes kind of perfume on its own. And you know what, guys, it's wearable. I will wear this perfume. And but only maybe, you know, 1 hour before meeting somebody. I would, before 1 hour before, I would spray. Don't spray straight away because it can be a little bit off-putting, you know. Yeah, kind of balsamic notes, sweet balsamic notes, you know, those little bit of fruitiness, balsamic notes, heavy, you know, heavy type of comes out. And you know what's happy about this perfume, I'm so happy, guys, is that simply that those bad skanky notes faded away pretty much in 10 minutes for me, and I'm not afraid of this perfume anymore, you know. Will this perfume be something that I will wear? I will wear this perfume, and it might be, I think I might prefer, pretty sure, guys, I prefer this perfume more than, you know, that black bottle which I have. So I think I will wear this one more than that black bottle. So this red one and white one will be perfumes that I will be wearing from this 3 or 4 lines, you know. I have never tried blue one, guys. Blue one is more masculine, they say, and I'm not thinking about that one, but I'm pretty, guys, interested, you know, in this. Happy to buy this perfume because it's simply, guys, cheap perfume, and also, guys, simply, it's always interesting to try. Anyway, I hope you liked it, guys. I hope I helped you to, you know, to decide about this perfume, and like this video, and I will be back to you soon, guys. Bye bye. See you soon. Bye bye.